Good morning, class 7. Children, today is 19th of October and today we are going to start a new chapter number 12, which is the reproduction in plants. Children, you all know that all the living organisms have some common characteristics like they need food, they grow, they show movement, they respond to their stimulus, they respire, they reproduce, and they die. Here we are going to study about one of these characteristics, which is reproduction. Children, you all know that and also observe that from time to time the generations exist on the life on this earth surface. It means what? Certain kind of organisms are found on the earth surface from many years. Means a particular species, a particular kind of organisms exist on the earth and we are not knowing from what time they are existing. But this shows the continuity of the organisms or the species on the life on the earth surface. And this only happens with the help of the process reproduction. Children, it is a process of producing the young one of their same kind by an individual, and this is very important for the existence of organisms species on the earth's surface. If this process will not happen, children, a time will come that a certain species, certain generation exists on the earth's surface. It means what? This process is very important for the continuation of generation, continuation of organisms and species into the earth's surface. So children, it is a very important process. Some of the organisms continue their species in the form of laying eggs and some give birth to their young one of the same kind. But in result, both of them are continuing their species in the earth. So you all are aware about the importance of this process. Now, what are the modes of the reproduction? Children, before starting the modes of reproduction, let's know how the reproductions producing the young ones of their own kind. Have you seen that your hair color, your eyes, your skin color, your height, all are matching with your parents, and your parents are matched with their parents? It means what? They are producing the young ones of their own kind. You can say that a human can't give birth to an animal. They are giving birth to their young ones of their own kind. A snake can't give birth to a frog. So children, in this process, the continuation of the generations is by the continuity of their own kind of species. Now let's know what are the modes of the reproduction. Children, there are two ways of reproduction, that is the asexual method and the sexual method. Asexual mode of reproduction is the mode of reproduction in which a single parent is required. And sexual mode of reproduction in which the two parents are required. So here we are studying about this process in plants. So very simply you can explain or you can know that in the asexual mode of reproduction, the plants give rise to their new plant without producing the seeds. Children, plants cannot produce or their young ones or cannot lay egg. They give rise the new plant with the help of their seeds or without seed. So children, in this process, they produce a new plant, they give birth to a new plant without the help of seed. And in sexual mode of reproduction, the plant gives rise to a new plant with the help of seed by producing the seeds. So children, this is the introduction about the topic. We will study in brief about this mode of reproductions in plant in our next video. Thank you. Have a very good day.